Hello. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today you with me, Agent Tan from Keystone Property, and right now I'm at the top floor of Talay Resident 3. I would like to show you guys a studio unit, 56 square meter, offered at 2.9 million Thai Baht only, which is in the foreigner name. Really hot deal. Talay Resident 3 located in Jomtien soi 5, which is next to the Jomtien 2nd Road, and this building is just 300 away from the beach, really close to the beach. You can just walk from the walking distance, and the opposite you also have an immigration office, and another opposite of the road you have fresh market called Lompo Market. Okay, let's talk about the detail in this studio room, 56 square meter. While you walk in the door, you meet our kitchen area here, which is enough space for cooking. On my left hand side, you meet a bathroom, really big bathroom here. And here we are in the facility floor, and the common fees here is only 35 baht per square meter, which is really good price. And what you get is a huge swimming pool here, the sauna room,